This video shows you a beautiful example of an orrery. Now, an orrery is a model of the solar system with the Sun and all the planets rotating round it. The first orrery was thought to have been made by the Greeks between 100 and 150 BC, but then clockwork orreries were not made until the 14th century. So, what have we got? Well, the Sun in the centre. Now, although the periods of rotation around the Sun are approximately relatively correct, this orrery is not to scale in terms of the distances between the planets and the Sun. If it were, then we would have planets out in the garden and probably in the next village. So, Mercury, nearest the Sun, buzzing round at about half the distance of the Earth, there's the Earth, from the Sun. Next, Venus, and Venus is about 3/4 of the distance of the Earth from the Sun, and it takes about 9 months to go round the Sun. Next we have us, there we are with our little moon going round here at about 150 million kilometres from the Sun. Then, at about 1.5 Earth distances from the Sun, we have Mars with its 2 small moons. Now, Mars takes around 1 3/4 years, that's 1 3/4 Earth years to go around the Sun. Next, this little ball represents the Asteroid Belt. Now, crossing the Asteroid Belt, we come to the first of the giant planets over there, and that's Jupiter. Now, Jupiter goes round the Sun at about 5 times the Earth's distance from it, and takes about 12 years to make 1 revolution round the Sun. That is 12 Earth years. Travelling on to double the distance of Jupiter from the Sun and about 10 times the Earth's distance from the Sun, we come to the very famous planet Saturn with its enormous rings, very thin but very big. Further out still, Uranus, there at 20 times the Earth's distance from the Sun and taking 84 years to make 1 orbit. Further out still, Neptune there at 30 times the Earth's distance from the Sun, a very, very cold, distant planet. And then Pluto, although not recognised now as a main planet, relegated to being a minor planet, we have Pluto 40 times the distance of the Earth from the Sun and taking an incredible 250 years to go once round the Sun. So that is the orrery. This one, a modern version, is about 5 or 6 years old. Wonderful series of gears. I have actually taken these apart, and to get them together so that they all fit in the right place is quite a problem. But it's a lovely, lovely modern example of the orrery.